Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is conjunctions. So let's come to the board. Dear students, it's lecture number 25. Complete these sentences with conjunctions from the box. Okay, then these are the well-known conjunctions for you. That means for the students of class 3. So number 1, but. You know that but is used on those cases where two contra things are discussed in a sentence. Okay, that means two contra things. That means one part of the sentence indicates to do something and the other part indicates not to support that work, something like that. Okay, that means contra. Okay, number 2, or means something which has alternative way. On that cases we use or. Okay, then because. You know that for describing any reason, because is used here. That means if there is any cause behind the work or behind the incident, then because is used here. Then so and because almost the same. So this is the elaboration of these conjunctions. Now we will discuss on these 10 sentences what we will use here. Okay, number 1, I went to sleep, gap, I was very tired. This means you know that I was tired, this indicates the reason, so here would be used because. Okay, number B, I was tired, as a result I went to sleep. Okay, number B, we were ready on time. We were ready on time. Okay, gap, we still missed the bus. Here the students, if anyone becomes ready on time, then he or she will get the bus. This is usual, but although it's not usual, so here but will be used here. Okay, we were ready on time but we still missed the bus. Okay, this is not normal sense of these two parts of a sentence, so but is used here. Tasneem woke up late. Tasneem woke up late, gap, she was late for school. Tasneem woke up late, so she was late for the school. So okay, because this also says the cause. Okay, then number D, I visited the dentist because my tooth was hurting. Here my tooth was hurting, this is the reason that why I went or why I visited the dentist. Although there is some reason, so because would be used here. Okay, because my tooth was hurting. Then number E, I don't know if they will be at home, gap, not. There are two options. You may see they may stay at home or they may stay at home. So although there are options, so or would be used here. Okay, if, do you want to go to the zoo, gap, to the cinema. Here also another option, you have to go to the zoo or to a cinema. So here are also options, so or would be used here. Number Z, I was feeling hot, gap, I switched on the fan. This is not contra, this also indicates something, so would be used here. I was feeling hot, so I switched on the fan. Okay, number A is, the telephone was ringing, gap, Preeti could not hear it. If any telephone rings, then someone will listen to it or hear it, it's as usual, but here we can see that the telephone was ringing, gap, Preeti could not hear it. So here would be but. Okay, then number I, Naima is resting. Naima is resting, gap, she is not well. Naima is resting. She is taking rest. For the reason what? For the reason she is not well. So here would be because. Okay. Then last number J. Anand will be here on Tuesday. On Thursday, gap Friday. On Thursday, gap Friday. That means there are some alternatives. So here would be or. So dear students, I hope all of you have understood today's lecture about conjunctions, and for your better understanding, go through the book, practice it more and more. Up to that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.